Alright, ladies, we gotta pull in one of these spots. Pull in one. Alright, we're number 6. So let's start off by just simply placing my order. That's what I've done here. And each item I just hit pick up. There might be a quicker way of doing it, but just going inside of Walmart, I just started learning this. So I'm doing just a simple pick up and add to cart. Pick up and add to cart for each item. I'm sure there's a better way, but I'm more than likely going to figure that out eventually, right? So I've ordered eggs, water. I've ordered a couple other things, including an air mattress. I'm going to add all that to my order. And again, I just do pick up and then add to cart. Here I'm ordering some cuties. So we'll have a few fruit at the house for the girls as they come to visit us for the weekend. So again, I'm doing pickup and just add to cart. So that's really the only way I know right now at this point. If you have a better way, please comment down below. Let me know, a quicker way of doing this. Then I'm continuing to check out. And about to pay for my order. And I'm requesting a day and time, which was the day of. And I'm going to be on the safe side to go with 7 to 8 p.m. as I'll be picking up the girls later. And I didn't want it to be too early. So right here, I'm finalizing my order. My order includes 9 items. And they do ask for substitute preferences if you have any for any of the items. If not, then they just wouldn't include it on your order if there was something they didn't have. Okay, and then just payment information. They do need your mobile information as well. Now I'm ready to place the order, and it's 7 to 8 p.m. pickup time. These are the pickup instructions. And I will be required to check in with the actual app once I am ready for pickup. Alright, girls, we're headed to get this pickup from Walmart.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what?
I just read the word that says F-U-C-K.
Oh, that's the word we were talking about. They said that about the president. They must don't like President Biden. Somebody's got some bad feelings about him. That's just their opinion, though. It doesn't mean it's true, right? All right, so we're headed to Walmart to do this pickup, and I hope they can fit the stuff in the trunk.
Daddy told people to break in the White House.
Oh no, that's the other president that did that. But he didn't really tell them that. It's just a lot of stuff that went on. But yeah, let's head to Walmart. How about that? Ladies, we gotta pull in one of these spots. Pull in one of these spots. Alright, we're number 6. Number 6. Okay, so now Nanny has to check into the app. Let me check in the app. I'm now checking in with the app just to see where they are. They're still preparing it as it says on the timeline. Just strolling back through to look at my items and reading over the pickup information. I guess it will be a wait because I am here pretty early. There's a long line of carts, isn't there?
I wonder how he keeps them together.
Hmm?
I wonder how he keeps them together.
The longest line of carts ever.
Oh my God!
It looks like a train, doesn't it? Okay, so he just came and he asked, did I have an order? Because he knows me sitting here. He said that it appears to be ready.
Early. How
Yep.
do I get it?
Yep, you're gonna get it early, aren't we?
We're supposed to get it in. Where are we going?
We're supposed to get it at 7, but we got here earlier, so. All right, it really would be what, 19 minutes?
19
but
minutes
we're about to get it in 2 or 3 or 4, aren't we? They're gone. I guess they were with him so they can get trained on what to do and how it works. Because it's usually just one person, so. But then one of them did have my eggs though, right? But I guess they're probably getting trained, you think? Yeah. All right, so Walmart pickup, would you say it was a success or not a success?
My feet were a success.
A success. That means everything went well. Would you say it went well?
That's not success.
No, do you think it went well?
No.
No, Journey.
Because we got here early.
I know. Nanny messed it up. As soon as she got here early, she messed it up, didn't she?
Yeah, you got at the wrong number.
Exactly. I got here at the wrong time. So early bird is good, but not in some situations. There are a few situations where early bird is not good, right? All right. Time to head on to the house. Let's just hope that they have everything, right? Because it could be that they didn't put everything back there, but we're going to say that they have everything. We'll check it when we get home. Pretty good back there?
Yeah.
Check, check, check. Oh, Jesus. I see the feet and all. And Andy, what you chewing on, girl? What you chewing on?
Rice Krispie treat.
Oh, you had it in your bag? Okay, we made it back, and I'm going to check and see if all the items are here. Hopefully, they are.
We're checking to see.
Okay, so we're supposed to have 9 items. This is 1, the margarine oranges. 2, the sheet to go on the
mattress.
The air mattress. Can go down here. Okay. And then the air mattress is 3. 3 Minute Maids. That's 6. Peanut butter and jelly 7. Cake 8. And eggs is 9. Yeah. Walmart. You're all right. Walmart pickup. Try it, y'all. Try it out.